Opening your present from Shishi? Can you say Shishi? Good job. Got some of it open, don't you? Here, let me get you started on this next one. Okay, you keep going. Ooh, what is it? What is it? Oh, it's Little People's. Ooh, that's fun stuff. Ooh. Good job, honey. What is it? Is it Little People's? Can you say thank you? May, say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. That's please, but you're doing something. There you go. Thank you. Good job.